Hi, thanks for coming to look at our video. Advanced Plumbing and Heating also do electrics. We've got a new electrical division. We've got proper qualified NIC qualified electricians. We're just carrying out a check on an electrical RCD unit. This is called a residual current device, which automatically, as the modern ones, it automatically cuts off any dangerous electrical appliance that's ready to go on fire, and it instantly just cuts off. It also does the same if there's a problem with the actual earthing. If there's a problem with the earthing, it just automatically goes down, and this also does fuses for the whole building. We do both domestic and commercial. As well as doing that, we also, Advanced Plumbing and Heating also do the lights. We also install these. There's 12 volt and there's 240 volt halogen lights that we also do. We do electrical landlords safety checks. It is important that you understand that if you've got a rented property, you do need to have a certificate to certify the electricity is safe as well, and Advanced Plumbing and Heating can do that for you. It is more important than ever with all the changing legislation to make sure that you get all up to date with all the current regulations, get all your tickets. If it's gas, electrical, we can do it. It keeps you safe, and it keeps keeps you right if you ever get an inspection by the Health and Safety Executive. So on a rented property or domestic commercial, we can do it. We do all the checks on them. We also install these as well. Not all houses have got this. If your house hasn't got something like this, a residual current device, it's known as an RCD, I would advise to get one. The ones with the little wires, forget about that, because they are dangerous. Obviously, if the wires melt, the potential is always there for a fire, but these are much safer. It can actually save the life. It has actually saved my life once before, believe it or not, because I was working on a pipe one time, it leaked, there was an electrical wire near it, and someone put a nail through the pipe, it was near the wire, it nipped the wire, and then it went bang. I was lucky because one of these tripped itself, because the water earths it, and then it just cuts off, and that's it. So it's more important than ever to get one of these installed. It's not a lot of money, and you can have something like this. You can automatically turn everything off. This turns everything off in the house, but these are all the electrical RCDs, the safety devices, which cuts off in the event of an emergency. Okay, as you can see, you've got a bit for your sockets, lights, all sorts of things, all the zones of your house. So it is a pretty good piece of kit to have. I would encourage you to get that. But check our website for more information anyway on our services. Thanks for looking today. Our website's advancedheatinglondon.co.uk, and our contact number, keep a hold for handy because we're 24 hours, is 01708 522 666. That's 01708 522 666. Okay, and thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you soon.